Right, today's daily byte is valid anagram. This question is asked by Facebook. Given two strings S and T, return whether or not S is an anagram of T. An anagram is a word formed by reordering the letters of another word. So it's like vice versa. If T is an anagram of S, S is an anagram of T. So we have some examples, and the definition there really makes you kind of think, well, if we can just reorder it, let's just sort our string and see if they're the same. And that would work, but it's an n log n of solution, right? It's sorting is n log n. Could we do better than that? If we use a little memory, we could just count up all the characters and see if that's the same, because that would tell us whether it's an anagram or not as well, right? So we can just use the counter object to do that. So let's go with that solution. That's probably a little better. We'll first, from collections, import counter. We'll write our anagram, pass in S and T, whoops, and we'll just say return whether the counter object of S equals the counter object of T. And if it does, then it'll return true, right? So let's go with that. Let's run it. All right, and true, true, false. It looks like true, true, false. That works. So that's it. Thanks for watching my channel, and remember, do not trust me, I know nothing.